Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls, they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life.
Ooh, who looks so fancy? I was about to say, where's your jacket? Hi, stupid.
Why are you always putting me on the tip for?
Ooh, new dude. Who you, boo? Oh, shit. You look all summery and stuff. When I grow up, I want to be just like you. Like, where's my friend? Bring her back. Look at her ass. Shit, girl. So beautiful day outside.
It's getting cooler now.
Yeah, I know, but whatever. But it was a beautiful day today.
So nice.
It was like amazing. Like even I know, cause you're stupid. But like even with the wind that we were getting, like it was a nice, beautiful day. So we're going on an adventure. I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but no, I'm not. I don't have any gas in there. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens in the night. My eye is jumping for some reason, but yeah, I'm out of breath. Bye. We just got finished doing a photo shoot. Ow. Yeah, like we never take pictures.
Never.
Like,
but we never really go anywhere to take pictures.
But this isn't really anywhere. We do this like.
No, I know, but we never really end up.
I know, but no matter what, like whenever we link, like we barely ever.
No, it's just you and your videos.
Take pic. Yeah, it's like just vlogs. So, is this a new scratch? Like, where the hell did this come from? But anyways, we're just gonna chill out a little bit until it gets a little bit darker, and I'm not editing it out, no, because these people come on my videos doing shit that they know they don't want to be posted, and I'm not doing the extra work like to chop and screw. Nope, ain't nobody got time for that. It's going up. New rules for 2018. Oh my gosh, you guys, Fluffy and I just felt a raindrop.
Did you?
Don't fuck with me, okay? I know it's not supposed to rain till tomorrow, I think, but whatchamacallit, Fluffy and I, like the other night, like I was going through memory lane, like I was going down memory and I was watching like a bunch of old videos, old challenges and stuff like that, and like we were watching the Chubby Bunny challenge.
Oh yeah, so we're doing that.
We're doing a redo because I feel like I can get more than 6. I
feel like I can get more than you.
Like I feel like I honestly can get more than 6, but like when we're together, we just turn idiot and turn fool and we can't stop laugh like when I have no damn sense.
So worse me.
So now that we know kind of like what it's all about, we're gonna do a redo. We're gonna do a redo, and yeah. Cheers. But that's definitely a lot better than the Bacardi.
Way.
Because the Bacardi, I couldn't even do that.
Zoe, way. I think we only took like 1 shot of that.
It was like it wasn't even a shot. It was a cough. But I think we're going to Captain Boyle. So yeah, and I didn't bring my tripod, unfortunately, so y'all ain't gonna be seeing that. But yeah, we're just downtown, cooling, chilling. Yeah,
like we might as well chill while it's still light.
Yeah,
outside.
exactly. And it's a beautiful day. We're not getting many of these in Toronto this year. So like we skipped spring and went straight to summer because like it was mad hot today, like mad hot.
It was so good though, but like I be hating when people like complain. Because like when it's cold, you're complaining.
Right,
Hot,
you're complaining. Just shut the frick up.
It pisses me off.
But we use this.
White people. I swear I felt a raindrop.
I'm telling you. And I use this backdrop, this pink door. So if anybody knows, this is Buddy's Theater.
Buddy.
The man was like, "Are you here for a show or are you just here for a photo shoot?" No, I pressed the handicap, the button. Something.
Damn, you couldn't make it just make me feel like say the man opened the door for us because he's
sorry. But anyways, you guys, if anything else interesting happens, I'll take you guys along the journey. We're just gonna vibe out and chill out right now for a little bit until we go get something to eat. Okay. Guys, we're at Captain Boyle. Yes, you broke the damn bit. Tiffany just asked for medium ice in a cup. Like medium ice in a cup. But yeah, we're at Captain Boyle. I got crab legs, mushrooms. Fucking teeth. I got crab legs. You should put that one there. Put that one there. Put this one there. Who cares? Put it there. Let them ask for a new one. Put that one there. Savage.
When I turn into a savage boy, don't ask me why. How's our ice ratio?
Ooh, is that medium ice?
perfect.
Let's see. Thank you. Let's see.
Yeah.
It's a medium
Let's
ice
see.
ratio.
Wow.
Actually, I've never seen anybody do this for me. I've never seen anybody do this.
Did you guys know that that's the use of a straw?
That's how you use
I mean,
it.
the hole.
Thank you. I never had
You know why we do? I do it that way.
Because it moves.
Yeah, it doesn't come up. You know how when you put a straw in, it pops right up. It doesn't pop up. It's like,
Oh, because this is actually where you're supposed to put
Yeah,
it.
that's where you're supposed to put it.
And every time it's ever come, it's come closed.
I know. That's cool. She's cool. I wish I had money to tip her. But sorry, I mean it is what it is. But I don't remember what it was that I was saying. Oh yeah, I got mussels and crab. I got mussels and crab legs, the Cajun fries, and sausages. So shut up. So I'm fucking excited. When the food comes, I will show you guys. So yeah, I'll be back in a second. Sophie got her mussels. Hey. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that steam. Oh shit. Watch me. Let me put on my bib. What? Because she don't want our mussels. I mean, you want it. Let me taste the medium, you fucking fuck. You gotta get all this.
Maybe he told us it was time for food.
Yeah. Oh, mussels are so. Like this video if you like mussels. Comment below if you love mussels. Like mussels are. Yeah, but like mussels. People think I'm crazy when I want to eat mussels, but mussels are so
You know what?
juicy
You want
and.
to try that raw version? Like, I wonder how it tastes.
Thank you, my fries.
Yeah, oh no, this is definitely. Did I get spicy? I don't think did I get this the last time?
You got me, Your Cajun fries? So good.
Oh, you had the extra bag the other time.
Yeah. The only thing with the Cajun fries is they're good hot. When we get like warmish, coldish.
But they taste better when you first eat them.
Yeah.
And then if you eat them after the seafood. Thank you.
Which one?
It's a medium one.
Medium.
I love garlic.
Garlic?
Thank you.
Mussels with sausage.
On my face.
and garlic crab. Bone up a fucking teeth.
Breakfast in bed, darling. I got your bed calling. I make you bed calling. I make you bed calling. Breakfast in bed, darling. I got your bed calling. I made mistakes, you done me wrong, but now you leave me calling.
I want y'all to see this table. Like, look at the amount of food these people fucking ate. Like, they ate so much fucking food. Holy shiznit. Only 2 of them. Like, it's only 2 of them. Like, their pile was like, it was so big. I was like, yo, like, I was in awe. I can't eat it. Like, I can't even finish it for 1 pound of crab leg and mushroom and sausage when we get. And my mom's gonna be happy. But, okay.
More.
Whoa. I'm using my ring light because it's late. It's like 12:23 right now in the morning. I've been home actually. I know I've been home for some time now. I think I got home before 12 o'clock. So yeah, I got home at like 11:45 or something because I called my mom. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. We ate, went home. Fluffy went her way, I went mine. I'm home. I'm winding down. I'm gonna take off these lashes. I'm gonna take off this makeup, and I'm going to either watch some YouTube videos or watch some investigation discovery shows because I haven't watched anything investigation discovery this week. I watched Star. Okay, let me tell you guys actually my schedule, what I watch in the week. Let me tell you guys, okay? So Mondays is Teen Mom and Teen Mom 16, not 16 and pregnant, but the new pregnant Teen Mom, whatever they have. That's Monday. And then there's an investigation discovery show that I watch. I think it's called Diabolical, that comes out on Monday. I'm not 100% sure, but Diabolical I watch during the week or whatever. Oh shoot, and I lied, that's not Monday. Monday is Love and Hip Hop, Stevie J, I think Tayana and Iman come on Mondays as well, and I think that's it. And then it's the Teen Mom stuff. Wednesdays, oh, Tuesday I also watch, Tuesday I also watch Married at First Sight, but that's done now. And then Wednesdays, what comes on Wednesdays? Star, Empire, Black Ink Crew. It's New York right now, and it's about, I know it's gonna be finishing soon, so Chicago's about to start. I fucking love Chicago. I love Charmaine. I love her cousin. I can't remember her name right now, but she's so freaking cute and pretty. And Ryan is just so freaking sexy. And what's his name? 4? Whoo! Can we talk about 4? Like, him and his fine ass, and Nikki is just so fucking sexy. Like, girl, what? Okay. So yeah, that's Wednesday. And then Thursday, it's Braxton Family Values. Friday, Braxton Family Values and Jersey Shore. And then Friday, I don't think I have anything that comes on Fridays anymore. And then like I'll watch like YouTube videos or whatever the case may be. Saturdays, there's nothing that I watch that comes on Saturdays. Sundays, Real Housewives. Now it's Real Housewives of Potomac. A lot of people don't know about that one, but like Real Housewives of Potomac. Okay. Giselle and Robin. Okay. And I like Monique. And Ashley's a little Karen. No. So yeah, that's my schedule right now with television. I find time to watch all of these things, yeah. And so yeah, I'm gonna go and watch Investigation Discovery because I haven't watched anything Investigation Discovery this week. So I'm gonna go catch up on my shows. And yeah, thank you guys for journeying with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and I don't know when the next one will be, but whenever it will be, I will see you in that vlog. Thank you again for watching. Also, before I go, shout out to that subscriber that I met on the bus the other day. She commented on my video, my most recent video too, with my update. Big up yourself. I know you said you didn't get a picture. I wasn't even thinking about it, because girl, like when I have my headphones in and I'm listening to my music, like I'm zoned the hell out, and then I was on the phone, so you know I had to pay attention to who I was speaking to. So you know, so yeah, next time when you see me, selfie, I promise. But yeah, to anybody, if you ever see me, don't be afraid to stop me. Like I can sense when I know one of you guys kind of knows who and I don't want to say who I am, because who am I? Like, I'm just a regular schmegular girl, like that just decided to pick up a camera and post videos. Like, you know what I mean? Like anybody can do it. Like really and truly, anybody can do it. But what was I gonna say? Don't be like scared or nervous. Like, I'm not gonna be like, no pictures, don't talk to me, who are you? Like, I'm not that type of person. The same way that I am is the same way that I am. But like, I can always sense, like when I see somebody who like recognizes me, because like they'll look at me and like they'll like smile, but like they won't say anything for like the longest time, and then eventually they'll be like, are you on YouTube? Like, it's always like, are you on YouTube? Yo, you guys are crazy just like me. That's why I love you guys so much, I swear. But yeah, I think this is obviously where I'm gonna end the vlog now. I'm saying this to say, if you guys ever see me, do not hesitate, do not be nervous, do not be scared to say hello. Like, we can have a conversation, we could take as many pictures as you want. I don't care what I look like. As you guys can see, I come on here with makeup, without, like dressed up, dressed down, armpits not shaved, like type shit, which I need to like stop doing because that's gross. But yeah, like I'm just regular. Okay, so yeah, see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.